Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at angles in a triangle. Now in this question we're asked to find the value of x, down here, and we're given this triangle with a little bit extra. Now what does that little bit extra do? Well, it tells us if angle ABE is equal to 72, then angle ABE is vertically opposite and therefore equal to DBC, okay? Because vertically opposite. So, what's this angle in here? Well, it's going to be 72. And if that's true, well, the angles in a triangle, so triangle sum to 180. Therefore, x plus 72 plus 2x is equal to 180. 72 plus 3 lots of x equal to 180. I'm going to minus 72 from both sides. So 3 lots of x is equal to 108. X is equal to, well, that's going to be 36. Right, 108 divided by 3 is 36. In this next question, it's hard for me to find or see how we're going to get to this point here. But what I can see are two different paths to follow, right? Two different bits of information that I can glean from the diagram here. And the first is in the parallel lines, right? I've got two parallel lines here, and then I've got a line going through the middle of it. I've got x plus 20 here, and I've got 3y plus 15. And I know, because those are co-interior, that they are supplementary, that they add to 180. So 3y plus 15 plus x plus 20, well, that's equal to 180. Let's simplify this a little bit. So let's go, x plus 3y plus 35 equal to 180. X plus 3y equal to 180 minus 35 is 145. And that's as far as I can go with this one here. Another thing I can see here is this triangle, right? I can see the triangle here. Okay, I've got this distance here, which is 2x plus 20, x plus y, and something in here. Well, this distance again is supplementary, right? And I know what that is as well, right? Because this is going to be equal to this. So that there is x plus 20. So just as before, I can reduce this, right? All of these angles sum, because they're in a triangle, to 180. So x plus 20 plus 2x plus 20 plus x plus y is equal to 180. How many lots of x have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of x. How many y's have I got? Well, I've just got the 1 here. And I've got 20, 40 equal to 180. So 4x plus y is equal to 180 minus 40, 140. So I've got one expression here and another here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move them up to the top here, because what we are dealing with are simultaneous equations. All right, I've got two variables and two equations. There are two ways to solve this. Either I can eliminate by scaling up either one or both of these expressions, or I can substitute. And in fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to substitute. So I'm going to set y, so I'm going to manipulate number 2 to make it y equals. So if I subtract 4x from both sides, I can now substitute y for this into the first one. So sub 2 into 1. And that looks like this. X plus 3 times y equal to 145. Now, minusing or tidying up these x's first and then subtracting 420 from both sides gives me 1 minus 12, which is negative 11x. 145 take away 420 is negative 275. Okay, so let's just shift all of this into here. Because dividing both of these by negative 11, x is equal to 25. All right, so this is quite important here. I've got my first figure, and if I have that, right, I can sub this into my next one. Now, I already know what y equals. Y is equal to 140 minus 4 lots of x. So by substituting in x, 140 minus 100 equal to 40, I can now, finally, right, I know what y is, I know what x is, so y minus x is equal to 40 minus 25 equal to 15.